Going to leave this spot. What I'm gonna do is continue this highway waterfall, and it's not very long. I think I can get it all done in one day, so I should be in Bend. Well, I can't promise this, but I should be in Bend by the end of tomorrow, beginning next morning. But let's see how many waterfalls I can hit up today. Yeah, let's start the day. I pretty much ran out of coffee, so I gotta go grab some more. Oh, and if you guys are new here, my name is Tim. I'm a photographer based out of Seattle, and I am currently living out of my 4Runner, traveling all the way to Colorado and possibly up to Banff, then head back around into Washington. And in the meantime, I'm just trying to see all the cool things along the way, so photograph all the spots that I've always wanted to photograph. Alright, so that's Susan Creek Falls right here. That's one waterfall down, so off to the next one. Alright, so I didn't know the waterfall was going to be like this. If I had known, I would have just dropped my shorts and hopped in the water, but nonetheless, pretty cool. That sucks. I was actually kind of planning on going to the hot spring. Looks like it was close. The last time I was here, you can actually go down to the falls, but it looks like they barricaded it out, so it's pretty steep to get down there. So my guess is that people were like falling trying to get down there. By the way, if you guys ever done this highway, there's way more waterfalls to see. I only saw the bare minimal. Pretty much anything along this highway. You actually could do like 4 or 5 other waterfalls if you went around. For me, I wanted to be fairly close to Bend, Oregon by the end of today so I can find camp. And so taking that other route is going to be like a 2 or 3 hour detour. But the other waterfalls that you could have done is, I believe, Iceco, Grotto, and I think Wolf Creek is along the other way around. Quick update, as I am in between chasing all these waterfalls, I'm trying to take a break and go make some lunch slash dinner, and I'm finding that there is a wildfire within the area, and so all the campgrounds or even dispersed campgrounds or the way to get to some of the camp spots I have, like the dispersed spots, are all closed. And that may have cut my trip a little short because that was the whole plan for today. Alright, looks like we're here. The spot is huge. This is kind of why I like going into like Bend, Oregon area. There's a lot of dispersed camping like this, and it's like really leveled and easy to find. So I'll show you guys around. So there's a giant spot here, and then like 15 more spots all around these trees. I'm just looking up. I'm just trying to be conscious for Starlink, so I think there's some obstructions with the trees, but I think I should be fine. I don't know. There's one way to find out, but time to make lunch. So the whole reason why I was like kind of anxious to get to a spot quick is because the meal that I'm gonna make, it's not gonna be quick. It's a dish called khao soi. It's like kind of a northern Thai dish. It's almost like a Chinese dish, but at most gonna take maybe like an hour or two. I kind of wanted to be away from the road because it's a curry-based soup, and curry is just really not pungent, but it's a strong smell. So, but yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna let that sit for, I don't know, maybe about 40 minutes to an hour. And then it's time to plate and eat. If you guys actually know how to make khao soi, you'll know that I'm kind of cheating a little bit because I don't have all the ingredients on me. So for an example, the fried noodles that you're supposed to put on it, I'm just using fried garlic to add the extra crunch to it. There's other stuff to it too, like I know some people put in like lime leaves and stuff. Don't have any lime leaves. Curry, coconut, your choice of protein, and then chicken broth, which is the core ingredients to it. I also don't have any palm sugar or sugar in general, so you would want to add that if you make it at home. All right, so this is just about ready. I totally forgot my ladle and a bunch of chopsticks, so I gotta eat this with a fork. I may have cooked way too many noodles or prepped way too many noodles for broth ratio. Alright, so I need to do laundry, and thankfully the Planet Fitness in Bend is a 24/7 laundry, then gym, and probably shower. Alright, just got to the Planet Fitness. Fun fact, I actually got my membership started at this one, the one in Bend. This is probably one of the few times that I am actually using the Devo Slight Ranger. I don't see much reviews on this or anybody talking about it, but this is the upgraded mattress from 4x4 Colorado. In my opinion, I highly recommend you upgrading the mattress. It doesn't have to be this one, but some sort of upgraded mattress, because the stock one is a little stiff. This is a pretty cool spot, seeing how this is maybe like 15 minutes away from the city. If I ever need to go into the city and grab like gas or food or anything, I'm not very far away. It feels pretty dispersed out here, so this is kind of why I like the city of Bend. But I think what I'm gonna end up doing is making some breakfast. I think I'm gonna end the video here, so I do appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.